Do you want to make a stupid amount of money? Well, ChatGPT might make you a few $1,000s per month, but AI agents are the game changers. And the window is closing very fast. Right now, most people are treating AIs like a toy. Random prompting, writing posts, polishing emails, but a small group of people are quietly making a revolution, trying to build systems that can replace millions of jobs. One group of people are earning side hustle money, a few $1,000s per month. Not too bad, but the other group are building billion-dollar businesses. They are literally in different leagues, like Manchester City versus Cambridge United. Well, I mean, if you watch football, soccer, you know what I'm talking about. Welcome to Finance Panda. We save you time and money by analyzing the hottest business ideas on the internet. We also share 200 plus of our own business ideas. Subscribe now so that you're not going to miss out. ChatGPT helps individuals to work faster. AI agents, on the other hand, actually helps coordination altogether. And this is where the real money lies. If you understand this early, you can build an empire. If you miss it, you'll be just selling some random prompts while others are building and selling systems. Let's get the mental model right. Lock this in. ChatGPT equals to answering machines, and AI agents equal to work machine. Or we put it more brutally, ChatGPT just improves labor. AI agents actually replaces labor. Concrete example: small money versus big money. Path A: ChatGPT users. So let's say you can write faster, you design quicker, and you research better. What are the results? Well, you probably get more income as a content creator, as a freelancer, but this is limited to your time. Very useful, but limited. Path B: AI agent builder. So you build a system that understands the goal, breaks it into different steps, actually uses tools to do that, check the results, and more importantly, 24/7 doing that. So what's the results of that? You have an outreaching agent, a recruiting agent, an operations agent, you name it. Basically, you're not selling time anymore, you're selling outcomes. That's exactly why the jump from thousands of dollars per month to millions of dollars per month. So why do most people miss this opportunity? Well, that's because agents are in general quite messy, unreliable, and just basically not easy to explain in one tweet. Prompting feels like easy and clean. Building AI agents feels like a lot of work. And here's the trap. By the time everyone thinks that building AI agents are easy, then it's already too late. That's always how it works if you want to make big money. If you want to make millions instead of just side hustle money, subscribe now. This channel is for people who want to build systems, not just tricks. So why should you care? Well, if you just want to make side hustle money, I think ChatGPT is more than enough for you. But if you want to have asymmetric upside potential in making huge amount of money, then you must know about AI agents. AI agents enable you to charge per result every time it delivers, and it can automate boring niches. More importantly is that you can scale up your business without hiring people. You don't need to be technical. You just need to know what to automate. So why the urgency to do it right now? Well, because tools are relatively still very cheap, and the competition is low, and most of the clients still don't really understand AI agents yet. If you don't take action now, you will miss the window to make money. Because in the future, this kind of AI agents would be standardized in the platforms as basic features. And then the profit margins would plummet because there are so many competitions. Worst still is that the biggest winner would be the companies that use AI agents rather than those who provide them. This is the uncomfortable middle, exactly where the biggest opportunities to make money live. The real opportunity. Well, if you want to make a lot of money, the implication is simple. Instead of asking ourselves how AI can help us work, instead you think about how I can remove human from the formula and replace by AI agents. Whoever removes administrative clues, handovers, follow-ups, whatever it is that captures value would make a lot of money. Not influencers, not prompt sellers, but system builders. Kill shot. ChatGPT makes you faster. AI agents makes your time optional. And that's the point. If your time is optional and you still produce output, you can make money exponentially, billions. In the next videos, I will talk about more specific AI agents business ideas which people without technical background can still build. Subscribe now and see you next time.